Is RecCloud AI actually a hidden gem for creators, or just another overhyped AI tool trying to do too much? So today, we're taking a closer look at RecCloud AI, a tool that claims to help you record, transcribe, and even generate summaries using AI. Basically, it's being marketed as an all-in-one productivity tool for students, professionals, and content creators who deal with a lot of audio or video content. But the real question is, does it actually make your workflow easier, or does it just sound good on paper? All right, so what exactly is RecCloud AI? RecCloud is a cloud-based AI platform that focuses on audio and video processing. It lets you upload recordings, and then it can transcribe speech into text, generate summaries of meetings or videos, help convert content into readable notes, store everything in a cloud workspace. There's also a desktop and app version, so you're not locked into just one device. That's actually useful if you're switching between phone and PC. One of the main selling points is automation. Instead of manually taking notes or rewatching long videos, the AI is supposed to handle that for you. So, in theory, it's like having a digital assistant that listens, writes, and summarizes everything for you. It's especially targeted at students, content creators, office workers, anyone who deals with meetings or lectures. But of course, the big question is how well it actually performs in real situations.
Let's start with the pros. First, it genuinely saves time. If you're dealing with long meetings or lectures, having automatic transcription is a huge productivity boost. Second, multi-device access. Being able to use it across web, desktop, and mobile makes it flexible. Third, AI summaries are useful for quick reviews. Instead of reading long transcripts, you get a shorter version of key points. Fourth, easy workflow integration. You don't need to be tech-savvy to start using it, which is a big plus. Now, the cons, because it's not all perfect. First, transcription accuracy isn't flawless. It does well with clear audio, but once there's background noise or multiple speakers, mistakes can happen. Second, AI summaries can oversimplify things. Sometimes important details get missed, especially in complex discussions. Third, internet dependency. Since it's cloud-based, you need a stable connection for everything to work smoothly. And lastly, pricing structure can feel a bit unclear depending on usage levels, especially if you start relying on it heavily. So yeah, it's powerful, but not 100% reliable in every scenario.
Looking at what real users are saying, the feedback is actually pretty balanced. A lot of users say RecCloud is a big time saver, especially for students and professionals who need quick notes from lectures or meetings. Some even say it helped them stay more organized because they no longer have to manually write everything down. But on the other hand, some users mention that the accuracy depends heavily on audio quality. If the recording is messy or noisy, the transcript can get a bit messy too. Others also pointed out that while the summaries are helpful, they sometimes feel a bit too general. You still need to go back and double-check the full transcript for important details. So overall, people like the idea and convenience, but they don't fully trust it as a set-and-forget tool. So is RecCloud AI a hidden gem or just hype? Honestly, it's a legit productivity tool, but with limitations. If you use it the right way, it can seriously save you time. But if you expect perfect accuracy and fully automated results, you might get a bit disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.